What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get approved for your own Apple credit card. Cha-ching! And it's titanium. You heard that? Titanium. Who doesn't want this, okay?
Ladies, may we get a word?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke.
So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Before you get started, you wanna make sure that you're an Apple user. If you're not an Apple user, this is not gonna work for you. I'm sorry for all my Android users, but this only applies to Apple users. So whether that be an iPad, smart, Apple Watch, iPhone, as long as you have a valid Apple ID, you'll be able to apply for this credit card, okay? So after you validated everything, you have an Apple account, you want to go ahead and make sure that none of your credit reports are frozen on any of the bureaus, even the secondary ones. So that goes for, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, SageStream, Innovis, any of the secondary, reporting bureaus. If you have never heard of this, I can actually send you a list of all of them so that you know where to, make sure that your accounts aren't frozen on. So once you make sure that your credit reports aren't frozen, then you want to go ahead and go to the website I have right here. So you want to go on this website, you want to click Start Application. I can't walk you guys through the step, unfortunately, because I already put my Apple information and I can't, apply for the same card twice. But when you get on this page, you're just going to put your name, your address, your social, pretty much information to verify that it's you, just like you would apply for any other, credit card. So once you do that, you're going to get pre-approved. Do not do anything after you get pre-approved because this is where you guys need to listen, okay? After you get pre-approved, it's gonna show, your APR, your credit card limit, and everything that comes with the credit card, but do not accept anything, okay? So after you get pre-approved, you are going to go to, let me go back. You're gonna go to transunion.com/credit/freeze. I'll put the URL up here so you guys know exactly where to go. You're gonna wanna go to add a freeze. The reason why we're on the TransUnion website is because Apple only pulls from TransUnion. They don't pull from Experian or Equifax. They're only going to pull your credit from TransUnion. So you want to make sure that this is frozen, because if it's not, then it's going to show up as a hard pull. So just like the previous Apple application, you are going to put your first name, middle name, all that fun stuff, just so that they know that it's you, verify that it's you, and yada yada. If you do not want to, do it this way, you want to be extra secure, you can actually call them up. You can call TransUnion. I'll put their number above, but it's 800-916-8800. You're going to call TransUnion and tell them, hey, I need my account to be frozen, and make sure that they actually freeze your account on your call. Like, literally make sure that they freeze it. And then as soon as your account is frozen, then you can go ahead and go back to the Apple application where you are pre-approved, and you can now accept the credit card after it has been frozen on TransUnion. So now you can go ahead, accept the card, and you will be gifted with an Apple credit card. So there's not going to be a hard pull on your account, and that's how you do it. And I hope that helps you guys out. And if you guys get approved for your little Apple credit card, I want y'all to tag me, screenshot it, and send it to me, because why not? So hope you guys get approved.